At AIS, our paint department makes sure your equipment looks just as good as it performs. First, we start by giving your equipment a thorough wash, making sure it is free of any debris, dirt, and grease. Then we make a stop at our sandblasting booth where all unwanted paint and rust is removed. Our team then sands and preps the panels, ensuring an even coat, flawless finish, and sharp lines when applied. We mix premium-grade paint to match exact specification and ratios, carefully measuring and weighing the product. After the paint is prepped, it's time your equipment heads to one of our on-site paint booths for its new coat. Our techs precisely spray, leaving an even and durable finish made to last. At AIS, it is our job to make sure your equipment leaves looking good as new. And not only do we take care of equipment, but practically anything you can put your mind to. After paint, our decal department gets to work, cutting custom decals and adding that final touch of branding and identity to your equipment. And with precision and care, the decals are applied. From wash to finish, AIS ensures your equipment is ready for the job looking new and sharp, and that your equipment is protected from the tough environment they encounter.